absolutely gorgeous bob makeover. She does have a classic bob style. Beautiful center part down the middle and the perfect amount of layers to frame out her face. This is absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So here we have the stylist cutting off the next client's hair. Now she's got a really pretty ginger hair color. Looks like the stylist is doing a slight cut for this one. Ooh, beautiful shoulder length bob. Wow, this color looks absolutely beautiful against her complexion. Such a gorgeous look for the fall season. Next up, we have someone with a pixie style haircut. So the stylist takes things shorter with more of like a pixie undercut look. Nice design going there on the side, beautiful shade work. Wow, look at that pop of platinum. Oh, I love the edginess behind this style. Such a cute look. I absolutely adore this transformation. Now, if you guys are like me and you're feeling inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have someone with shoulder length hair. Looks like she decides to get some bangs. Nice simple hair change. Now, if you're looking for a very easy way to refresh your hair, adding bangs is definitely going to do the job. And the stylist does take things shorter with more of a jaw length style. Beautiful. This is like a nice classic Cleopatra style bob. Beautiful. And then we see someone with ash blonde, beige blonde hair. So the stylist did a nice bob haircut here. Very nice, beautiful blonde bob style. And I would say it's definitely more on the cool side with this blonde. And then we see someone once again with a pixie style. And she shakes things up with this very cute pixie. This one does feature some bangs going there in the front. Definitely having a nice mushroom shape with this one. And then we leave off today's video with this really cute bob style. Now this isn't a transformation, but we are seeing quite a bit of this neon green hue floating around. So it is on our radar of upcoming trends. All right, you guys, I hope that you did enjoy checking out all the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.